Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to fix the zero view problem on TikTok. I've been receiving dozens of DMs and comments about this every single day, so I knew I had to make a video about this. In addition, I also had this happen to me once. I wanna start this off by saying, make sure if this is happening to you, you do not delete the videos, you do not private the videos, because that is the absolute worst thing that you could do. It's gonna make your problem even worse, and it may make it to a point where you cannot return from it. That being said, there are gonna be 3 reasons that you guys are having this happen to you, and I want to explain those all to you. I want to tell you how to fix it, but most importantly, guys, make sure you stick around for the end of the video, because that's when I'm going to be sharing with you how to fix this problem if you are experiencing it. Even if you haven't experienced it, you'll probably want to watch the whole entire video, because this might happen to you as it has been happening to thousands of creators. The first reason that this could be happening to you is because you're shadow banned. A lot of people have been getting shadow banned recently because they're breaking the community guidelines, they're deleting way too many posts, they're doing copyrights, they're getting banned from live, they're having all these terrible things happen to them. If you guys want to know whether or not you're shadow banned, you could check out my other video on this. I also put the shadow ban product back on the website, but it's a wait list. I'm not taking everybody. You have to join the wait list, and then maybe you'll get lucky and receive an email from me and say that, hey, I could do a shadow ban check for you. But regardless of that, the only way that you know that you're shadow banned, like you are for sure shadow banned, is if you are not getting on the For You page at all. If you're getting on the For You page even 1% in one video a day, then you're definitely not shadow banned. That being said, if you have had multiple community guidelines violations or copyright infringements, there is a really good chance that you could be shadow banned. In addition, if you have mass deleted or mass privated videos, then that's going to be the reason that you're getting 0 views on your latest TikTok videos. Another reason that this could be happening to you is because honestly, you're just posting at a terrible time. Like if you post at 5 o'clock in the morning or at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that, at terrible times. Or if you're just putting out terrible content that does not look anything like content that is native to TikTok, that could be another reason that this is happening to you. If your post was just so terrible that TikTok couldn't find somebody to show it to, or you posted at a terrible time, then yeah, obviously you're gonna get 0 views on it. Another thing that I've been seeing a lot is creators that are under the age of 16 years old. TikTok has really been suppressing you guys' videos a lot. If you lied to TikTok about your age or got banned on TikTok for some reason, or just have gotten banned in general, or even a temporary ban, this could be another reason as to why you're receiving 0 views on your TikToks. And I know TikTok has been banning a ton of people from live for absolutely no reason. If this does happen to you, you need to do 2 things. First, you need to be patient. You need to make sure you're still getting on the For You page. Secondly, you need to make sure you submit a ticket to TikTok. That being said, I would not expect them to answer in 30 minutes. I wouldn't even expect them to answer in 3 days. It might take up to a month before you hear back from them. And in a lot of cases, there's just nothing you could do about it. And before I get into the final reason that this could be happening to you, I do want to remind you guys, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix this all at the end of the video, so do not get discouraged right now. In addition, if you guys have any questions about anything, make sure you leave a comment below. I answer all the comments on my YouTube videos on my podcast. If you're looking for the podcast, just search Robert Benjamin or Not Another Internet Guru anywhere that you listen to podcasts, and there you'll find my podcast, which has the Q&A and answers to all of my YouTube comments. And please do not forget to leave your username in the YouTube comment, because I want to give you guys free shoutouts. So the final reason, and the most likely reason that your TikToks are getting 0 views, is just because the video is under review. That being said, there is no reason that a TikTok video goes under review. It's not a bad thing. It doesn't mean TikTok hates you. It doesn't mean anything like that. And odds are, guys, if TikTok does put your video under review, they're actually going to give you a delayed explosion and more views than ever before. If you look at my IG story highlights, you guys will see that this happens to so many creators. I literally have like 3 or 4 creators every single day that DM me and say, hey Rob, so glad I watched your video. I didn't private my video. I didn't delete my video. In fact, it was just under review, and then it blew up once TikTok started to push it out. Actually, now that I think about it, there are 2 more reasons that your TikToks could be getting 0 views. First, you're using a VPN and you're not using it 24/7. If you use a VPN, you need to use it when you're scrolling TikTok and when you post, not just when you post. A lot of people make this huge mistake, and then TikTok knows that you're using a VPN, so they suppress your videos and give you 0 views. Another thing, TikTok is suppressing creators' views when they go live. So please make sure if you're gonna go live, do not post right before you go live, because it will result in that video, odds are, doing terribly. That being said, let's get into how to fix the problem of having 0 views on your TikTok videos, because that's the real reason you guys are watching this video. But before I get into that, I did want to remind you guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want guaranteed growth on TikTok, you need to get into my mentorship program or my accelerator program. Both programs, just last week alone, everybody in the programs combined gained 4.4 million followers. Of course, yes, this is across hundreds, almost 1,000 people, people. That being said though, they are seeing absolutely amazing results, guys. This is nuts how many followers people are gaining. If you want to get in on that, because trust me, TikTok is not going to last forever, especially now that their ad platform is out and 1 in every 8 posts is an ad. This opportunity is not going to last forever. You guys need to get in on this. I'm guaranteeing that I can help you grow. If you're interested in that, just go to the link in the description. But for now, let's get into how to fix all these things. So first, if you're using a VPN and that's the reason that you're getting 0 views, what you're going to have to do is make sure you use the VPN 24/7. All the time you have to be using it. That being said too, I don't understand why a lot of you guys use a VPN. I don't care where you are. If you're in Argentina, Mexico, wherever, why do you want to reach people in the US? You could be the biggest thing in Argentina, the biggest thing in Mexico, and you will be incredibly famous there. It'll bring you wealth, it'll bring you influence, it'll bring you opportunities instead of being like the 10,000th biggest creator in the United States. That being said, if you do start to use the VPN 24/7, then it will fix the 0 views problem. For everybody else, whether you're shadow banned or you're just getting 0 views because your TikTok is under review, you need to do 2 things. First, if you're shadow banned, you need to get out of that shadow ban. You need to go watch my shadow ban video. It's going to tell you exactly how to get out of it. Secondly, if your video is just under review, this is what you need to do. If you just posted, you keep refreshing, this is what you do. Close the screen, put the phone down, walk away, go do something for 30 minutes, go do something for 2 hours actually, and come back, and odds are that your video will actually have more views than you could have ever imagined or that you could have imagined, because if TikTok puts your videos under review, odds are they start to push that video even more than ever before. So just walk away from your phone, just forget about it, stop stressing out about it, do not delete it, do not private it, because then that raises a red flag to TikTok. If they threw something under review and you right away take it down, well then guess what? You're signaling to TikTok that you put out something that they shouldn't have put out, and then they're gonna keep putting your videos under review. And no, they're not gonna give you a delayed explosion afterwards or a reward afterwards for them putting your video under review. So please do not delete them, do not private them. All you have to do, shut your phone down, walk away from it, just walk away. You'll start to get more views the second that the video is out of review. Do not freak out, do not start going nuts. Remember guys, it's no big deal that your video got 0 views. It's not even getting pushed out to anybody, so nobody's gonna see it. Now I know that this is naturally gonna bring up the question of, Rob, how do I know if a video is under review? So you'll know if the video is under review if you have somebody try to look at it or if you try to share it and you're unable to do that. If you can do those things, if somebody can see the video and it's still at 0 views, there might also be a couple other things wrong. One, it might just be a glitch with TikTok, in which case I would just not worry about it. Again, I would not delete it, I would not private it, I would just let it sit. If you guys ever have a video at 0 views for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour, however long it is, I would just walk away, I would just relax, I would just wait it out, because odds are that it might just be an issue with TikTok, the video is under review or something like that. A lot of creators have also been posting something and not seeing it show up on their grid, but they are getting notifications for it and stuff like that. Again guys, this is just a glitch. It's not something to freak out about. Way too many people are losing their mind about this, freaking out, deleting the video, privating the video, and then they actually end up hurting themselves. Something else that I did want to mention, if you guys are deleting and privating your videos, do not do it in mass, right? Don't go and delete all of your old videos or private all of your old videos. That'll definitely hurt your account. That being said though, if you just delete one video or private one video here or there, maybe once a week or once every couple days, not a big deal at all. I delete a video, I don't know how often, like maybe like once every week or something like that if I post the wrong video or post without a caption or post without hashtags or stuff like that. Or if I happen to, I don't know, be doing something quick and I repost the same video twice, I'll delete a video. Not a big deal at all. That being said guys, you do not want to do that in mass. You do not want to private them in mass. You do not want to delete them in mass. And if a video has 0 views, I would just chill out. I would also try posting again and see if that video gets views. That being said, if you have several posts in front or after a video that has 0 views, then I would probably just delete the video. TikTok may have just gotten stuck. There may have been a glitch, may have just been a terrible video. And in a lot of cases, you guys are not the right person to judge whether or not a video of yours is good because you're so emotionally tied to it. That being said, I would just delete it. If that does happen, just delete it, get rid of it, and I would not think too much about it. I would not think that your account's ruined. I would not think anything terrible like that, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. It's all gonna be fine. TikTok's still gonna push your videos out, and if they are getting 0 views on everything, well then odds are you have some explaining to do. And if you are just getting 0 views on everything, then odds are that you're probably shadow banned, or you're too young to be on the app, or you're using a VPN, and I gave you guys the blueprint for how to fix all of those things earlier on in the video, so please make sure you rewind the video, go rewatch those those things because a lot of you guys are gonna have that VPN issue. You're gonna be way too young and you lied to TikTok about your age, or you're shadow banned because you had way too many community violations or copyrights or banned from live or something like that. In which case, I would honestly recommend that you probably just create a new account. That being said, guys, if you want your questions answered, please, like I said, make sure you leave your username in the comments below with your question. I'm gonna answer them all on my podcast. And if you want guaranteed growth on TikTok, you need to get into the Accelerator program or the mentorship program. I'm gonna link out to that in the description below. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.